Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss some very important topic. What is internship? So some of you have asked this question in a WhatsApp. So many requests have been come to explain what is internship and how it is done. So internship is nothing but a additional course or additional certificate to your BTech certificate. So if you are doing an internship course, so you will add a extra certificate to your course. So just like your example, you can take your AutoCAD, Pro-E, CATIA. So these are some of the examples which the people do or take as internship program. So what are the advantages of this internship? The advantage of the internship is that you will get a certificate other than your BTech certificate from a certified organization. That's why you will be ranked higher than the other. So this internship will also help you in the interviews. When you are going for an interview, it will be your added knowledge. So you will be ranked higher than the other fellow students if you have done the internship. So internship will also will increase your skill and knowledge. So you will have a better skill. You will learn better skill and knowledge than the others. So these are some of the advantages of the internship. So where you will do the internship. You will do the internship in some certified organizations like AICTE, All India Council of Technical Education, who is providing internship in a two phases, summer and winter phases. Also, there is also available of the internship courses from the CTTC, Central Tool Room, that is providing you the internship certificate on AutoCAD, Pro-E, CATIA, and also running your CNC machine. So such advantages are there. Such certificate courses are there. Yeah. So leaving that other industries are there where you can also do your internship. Like your HAL also provides internship certificate. HAL gives the internship certificate to mechanical computer branches. Other industries. So internship is nothing but a certificate course. Okay. So what will be the time period for this internship certificate? So which internship certificate is valid for you? So at least 1 month or more than that. At least 1 month or more than that internship certificate you will that will be valid for that will be taken as your internship certificate. At least the course must be 1 month or 1.5 or 2 months or 6 months or maybe 1 year. So your internship is an additional course. Okay. Now, what will be the advantage of your internship? So, advantage I have already told. So, you will get an higher rank or higher position or advantage in the internship. So, what are the websites or where you will go to do an internship? So, you go to your websites. So, you search there internship AICT 2021. So you go to the website and Google, you go to the Google, search there AICTE internship 2020. So there you will get your internship course. Okay, if you search this, there will be one website will come, and you have to log in you have to register along with the registration number. So you have to give your registration number, name, details. You have to put your details. Okay, so there is a form. For for doing the internship. So you have to fill all the data, and then you can apply for the internship. Which course you want? So the course cost may are not high. It is varying from 2,000 to 5,000 or 6,000. So according to the length of the duration, the course fees is varying. Okay. So likewise, you will search internship in CTTC 2020. Also internship in there are also some colleges also they provide the internship are provided by BIT Mesra. So now these are the current openings. Now these are the current openings where you can do your internship. These are the current openings. So here you can apply for the internship nowadays. So you can apply. Okay. The BIT Mestra. So internship certificate may be provided by any college, may be an industry. So it is you should not worry about that. So you just go to the Google and search for these sites. So if you go to the these sites, so you will get for registration. So this is you will get a link for registration. So you will register your name and details. Registration. Okay. So there will be a registration form. So then you after the registration you will be eligible for the internship and apply for the internship and do it. So along with your study course you can do your internship certificate, and this will also be required after the BPD. Nowadays everywhere they see the internship certificate in the interview. Okay, they ask what are the internship you have done. Okay, so that thing they require for their acknowledgement. So we require your internship certificate. So please do it for Aryan College. Okay, so we need your internship certificate to put your career ahead, because these certificates will be attached along with your name. So you have done this certificate course. So in your NAC, we are applying for NAC. So you will get. So you will give your name and this course. So within 1 month, everyone must do this course. Okay. So thank you all. If you have any query, you can ask my number. My number is 79784 99429. 79784 99429. So you can ask on any query. If you have any more help if you require, so you can call me on this number. Okay, and subscribe my channel. So I will be giving you subscribe my channel. So I will be giving you necessary information time to time for your improvement. Okay, thank you all.